So look me in the eyes, tell me what you see.
Hi everyone, my name is Juliana and this is my performance task in general biology. We have the animal cell, bacterial cell, and the plant cell. So first we're going to the animal cell. The animal cell is the type of eukaryotic cell that lacks a cell wall and has a true membrane-bound nucleus along with the other cellular organelle. Cell membrane. By protecting the cell from its surroundings, it controls the entry and exit of nutrients and other microscopic entities into the cell. We have the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a jelly-like fluid contains all the cell organelles, and it is the space around here. The endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is the manufacturing, processing, and transporting proteins for the cell utilization both in and out of the cell. So going down here in the Golgi apparatus. It transports modified proteins into Golgi vesicle to deliver them to their target sites. And as can you see, they're going down to the vacuole and to the nucleus and back again to the endoplasmic reticulum. And now we have the mitochondria. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Its function is to generate energy for the cell. And we have the microtubules. The microtubules is the transportation of some organelles like the mitochondria and the vesicles, transporting vesicles from the neuron cell body to the axon tips and back to the cell body. And the centrioles. The centrioles anchor the microtubules that extend from it and contains the factors needed to create more tubes. And we have vacuole. The vacuole, it stores excess food, waste, and other substances, and it's represented by the wet sponge. And now we have the lysosomes. The lysosomes is the site for digestion of cell nutrients, excretion, and cell renewal. Nucleus. The nucleus is the brain of the cell. It controls and regulates cell activities of growth and maintains cell metabolism. And we have the ribosome. The ribosomal subunits are the site of genetic coding into proteins. And we have the cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton function is to create a network organizing the cell components and to also maintain the cell shape, and it's represented by the glowstone. And I think we're done here, so we're going to the plant cell. Plant cell. Cell wall. The cell wall, it gives strength and also maintains high turgidity. And cell membrane. The cell membrane plays an important role in regulating the entry and exit of the specified substances within the cell. The chloroplast is the specialized organelles found only in plants and some types of algae. These organelles carry out the process of photosynthesis, which turns water, carbon dioxide, and light energy into nutrients from which the plant can obtain energy. We have the mitochondria. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, provides energy by breaking down carbohydrate and sugar molecules. We have the Golgi body. The Golgi body is involved in distributing synthesized macromolecules to various parts of the cell. The roof endoplasmic reticulum has on its ribosomes, which are small round organelles whose function is to make those proteins. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In general, both smooth and rough function is to produce protein for the rest of the cell to function. And we have the ribosomes. The ribosomes they are the site for protein synthesis. And we have the nucleus. The nucleus is the vital function of nucleus is to store DNA or heredity, information required for the cell division, metabolism, and growth. And the nucleolus. The nucleolus manufactures cell protein producing structures and ribosomes. And last, we have the vacuole. The vacuole of the plant cell are unique in that they have a large central vacuole. A vacuole is a small sphere of plasma membrane within the cell that can contain fluid, ions, and other vesicles. Next, I have here the bacterial cell. We have the capsule. The capsule play a number of roles, but the most important are to keep the bacterium from drying out and to protect it from phagocytosis, engulfing by larger microorganisms. In the cell envelope. The cell envelope is made up of 2 to 3 layers, the entire cytoplasmic membrane, the cell wall, and in some species of bacteria, an outer capsule. The cell wall. The wall gives the cell its shape and surround the cytoplasmic membrane, protecting it from the environment. The ribosomes is the microscopic factories found in all cells, including bacteria. They translate the genetic code from the molecular language of nucleic acid to that of amino acids. The nucleoids. The nucleoid it is where the chromosomal DNA is located. It is not a membrane-bound nucleus, but simply an area of the cytoplasm where the strands of DNA are found. The pili. Pili is small hair-like projection emerging from the outside cell surface. Without pili, many diseases causing bacteria lose their ability to infect because they are unable to attach to a host tissue. And lastly, we have the flagella. The flagella is the hair-like structure that provides a means of locomotion for those bacteria that have them. The flagella beat in a propeller-like motion to help the bacterium move toward nutrients away from a toxic chemical. So, I'm done. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it, guys.